that weird sound. It's like I'm making a chicken sound.
Yeah, she does sound like a chicken. Hey. Hi. Come on down.
I want to go see. I think
He said, I think she really likes me.
tickle. Tickle. That tickles very much.
Good morning. Okay.
Her skin is so soft. He's dead.
It's okay, Luna.